Mga mamuan eh, mamutungay. Aray ko.
Let's go!
Oh. You wait. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to Bubakwit na daw sila.
Last year. No, the 4th of July is today.
Galakaw mi kay ang road is closed. All roads are closed. Unsa man eh? Asa man na to ang ibotron? Kani mga grupo sa mga nihay. Mga nihay sa Saipan. Pikot kami boy. Yeah, it's closed. Closed na bankrupt na sa kuan.
Where's the freaking haunted? Where is it haunted, this house?
Mayra yung gidala na ba ni?
Wait. Why is this haunted?
Kaya kung wag gidala mo, binit-bit na to. Sayog yung kay tananganhi. Alas 10 gyud. Alas 10 ang parade, alas 10 kapin pananganhi. Diri ragay sila ng lantaw. Oh. Uy, kainit kinabuhi. Hala, daghang kay motor. Nibalhin lagi ang pepois diri. Ha? Wala mang, di ba dito man sa Siki? Timailan yung ba nga, di mi tikaon og ginana. That is cold. Wow. Look at the car. Bike. Nindot kaayo. See? You like? Oh, good. Don't go right. Don't go right. Just take picture. Never mind. Come in. It's not. It's called tricycle. Anything that has 3 wheels is called tricycle. World Resort. Hoy, namiya naman mo. Pikot, come here. Hold mama boy. Dito. It's 4th of July. Oh, gani haralas just nagsugod. Hold your hands together. Ako may tig-video, ako may wala sa video. So, hiwi mo short pan. Hold your hand, Pikot. Diha na, oh. Happy 4th of July. Watch out, watch out. Tabangi, bugat ba niya? Gamayon nilang mga pulis. Pwede man na siya itulod ba ni? Itulod ay bagay gwapo ra man siya guyuron. Pagpayong ba ni oh? Pwede dagway diri mo park. Baka ay oo. Ito dila si kay ano, park sila di oh.
Wait, I remember this.
Oo. Dito man na. Dito man na sa likod sudlon. Di ba dito na sa likod? Muagi ka. Road Resort. Pikot, put on your hat. I'm sweating too much already though. Never mind, boy. Later we will watch nabay fireworks unya. Reklamo ang mga bagwis. Ang bini mong bagbi? Bit-bit na mo mangigo ang mga.
I want water.
Mama, water daw.
I want water.
You okay, kuya? Oh, come here na.
They were lost it.
Dira ta ba niyo ngay ni kahoy? Dira ta ba ni? Asa man di ang program? Ay kananan man na kanang may sa sulod. Hold.
No running.
Ikot kami, hold. Hold tita.
This looks like school.
Asa man mo labay ilang pare? Dire-diretso. Ilang pare, dire mo diretso. Asa man mo lusot? Pure, dire mo diretso. Dire naladamulat. Ah. Hold on, there's plenty. Hold mama only. Oh, sama niya akong cellphone. Sige, mag-alarm. See, the floats are here.
What's those?
The one they designed the car, it's called floats.
Those?
Yeah.
Where?
Over there.
Next. I don't see. It's next to what? Why is it next?
Dito, na pedestrian.
It's saying the color. Oh, back, part of the line. Never mind. Look at this. Who just made this? That's gonna be bad. Wow! Motorcycles! There's a freaking motorcycle everywhere.
Yay!
Someone needs water. Someone needs water. You want water? Chocolate donuts.
Tikot, you want water?
Come. I really need water.
Oh, shit. No, I don't need water.
I'm not tired.
You hold. Come here, boy.
I still have 100 power.
Asa man si Manang? Ihara ta? Asa man ta? Ambot man lang. Nitago nagikapoy. Pinay na ba ni? Asa man?
Matabok pa ta dito or
Kuya, baning-ning, come here. Asa man taan eh? Dire ta? Dito ta?
It's a flying river. This is a big river.
Kapoy ba ni?
oy kapoy-kapoy sa laag.
Second. Hi.
Dito ka hula to?
This one beautiful.
Palandong tagamay.
I need to go over there.
No, you wait. Ay, cellphone lang. Suko na nga sa likod doon. Ito naman si tita dito.
Wala pala yung mga motor. Wala pala yung mga motor.
Wala mo tayong lugar dito. Init man. Tala daw. Kami baning-ning. Di, this side, this side. This side. Nanago tanan sa kahoy. Hala. Sorry ba ni? Ambot, mangitag kuan. Landong. Yawer.
Why is it so loud?
Ay, panimaho naman kuan.
It's a fire.
Huya.
Ah, get that. Wow. Wow. 100 more steps.
Happy Liberation. Asang stage? Ay, to orang stage. Mula ba yung mga float diri noon? Pwede man ta diri oh. Ah, oo, sa una na ano? Ah, pwede ka din oh, kay Landong. Nama silang ate oh. Nagpalandong.